Just turn on the TV volume so you can hear her snoring. Not me.
This is what happens when you give the Sadie some just a little bit of Benadryl for her allergies.
You may have killed our dog, but at least her sneezing and her itchy and watery eyes have dissipated for the time being. This is called Sadie on Benadryl.
Yeah, her eyes are slightly open. This never gets old, however.
Try another leg, see if she does.
That was a little bit of a warning, I think.
She breathing? Wait a momentary not breathing.
I'm back!
Don't suffocate
Now,
yourself.
if you're watching this and thinking everything we did was prescribed by a doctor and we gave her less than the amount we should have, she's just a little sleepy. This is about as close as you want to get, folks. Right here.